My name is Max Philosoph. I am on Team 1010QC of Vinci Robotics. It's for VEX V5. And we are from Burlington, Massachusetts.
I'm in 8th grade. I'm from Team 1010QX, and I'm from Southern Massachusetts. I'm from Vinci Robotics.
I'm Julia. I'm from Massachusetts, and I'm on Team 1010QX. I want to help people right with the robots. So this could So I'm taking all these skills, and maybe in the future when I do something. He really motivated me.
So Abhinav was really motivated on his way to learning coding.
Yeah.
And then VEX was one of the places where he can actually practically use his coding skills.
I'm on 1010-2R Rise. Our team is from the United States.
You have a chance to learn new skills. You have a chance to learn from the other team, and for the equipment and everything is always available there for you.
Hello, my name is Edward Yan. I am one of the student coaches at Vinci Robotics Academy. Vinci is a local located in Burlington, Massachusetts. We provide robotics and programming classes, after-school programs, and summer camps for students from around the area. Our mission is to provide everybody who are interested in STEM with collaboration space where they can not only gain knowledge, but also improve their hands-on, communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills.
I can say something. There's a lot of good teams here that we have to compete against.
There's a lot of teams. There's a lot of teams that have better hardware, better software, better driving than us. Quite a few teams, and we kind of just have to practice and maybe just do it more often. Yeah. Basically, just get better. We need to do robotics more often, all aspects of robotics, and driving, building, programming. We need to do that all more often in order to best the other teams that are here.
My name is Peter. My name is Ishwan. We are from Vinci Academy, 6900.
Hi, I'm Ella Zhang.
Yeah.
We're from the London crew, and we're from Boston.
Boston, Massachusetts. Robotics.
It's hard. Like our challenges are autonomous. It's just like it only get like a food dispenser, but it is a horrible food dispenser.
Have been disposed of, and with the purple, and they are at that gateway over there underneath, and they are shooting off to that side. That's okay. Now we've got the robot boxing up. 30 seconds. You know what these drivers have to do. They are good at it, and the next expert. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's follow that. We have an outstretched extension into that goal zone on the other side. We've got 4 seconds.